Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create employee salary statement in Microsoft Excel. Creating employee salary statement in Microsoft Excel is very easy and very crucial. So in this video, I will teach you step by step how to make employee salary statement in Microsoft Excel. So this video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. Look, I have designed employee salary statement table here. In column 1 I have created employee IDs. In second column I have taken employee names, and third column contain designation of the particular employees. Fourth column contain basic salary of all the employees. In fifth column, we have to calculate HRA, that is 20%. HRA means house rent allowance. In next column, I have to calculate dearance allowance, that is 10% of the salary. In next column, I have taken deduction in the salary. Next column, I have to calculate gross pay. And in the last column, I have to calculate the net pay of the employees. Look at the second table. This is actually the formula explanations of HRA, DA, gross pay and net pay. Look at HRA, that is 20%. The formula is equal to basic pay multiplied by 20%. Next formula, that is DA, we have to calculate DA, that is 10%, and the formula is equal to basic pay multiplied by 10%. For calculating the gross pay, the formula is basic pay plus HRA plus DA. And to calculate net pay, the formula is gross pay minus deductions. So this is the formula explanations of all the columns which I have to calculate. So let's start the process. To calculate HRA, simply select the cell and write the formula equal E3, because the formula is basic pay multiplied by 20%. Basic pay is in column E, so write the formula equal E3 and multiply it by 20%. Press enter. See the HRA, that is 20% of employee number 1 is 5,000. Simply drag the cell till the end to apply the same formula in this cell. This is the house rent allowance of all the employees. In next column I have to calculate DA allowance, that is 10%. And to apply the formula, simply select the cell and write the formula. The formula is basic pay multiplied by 10%. So basic pay is in column E. So write equal E3 multiply by 10%. Press enter button. See, this is 2500. This is the DA allowance of the first employee. Simply drag the cell till the end to apply the same formula in this column. So these are the DA allowance of all the particular employees. In next column I have taken deduction in the salary of the employees, because to calculate the net pay we have to subtract the deductions. So I have created a deduction column here. In next column I have to calculate gross pay. The formula of gross pay is equal to basic pay plus HRA plus DA. So we have to add basic pay, HRA and DA in this column. To apply the formula, simply select the cell and write the formula equal E3 plus F3 and plus G3. Press enter button. See, this is the gross pay of the particular employee. Simply drag the cell till the end to apply the same formula in this column. See, these are the gross pay of the employees. Next, to calculate the net pay of the employees, simply select the cell and write the formula. The formula is basically gross pay minus deductions. In previous column I have calculated gross pay. So to apply the formula, press the cell and write equal gross pay minus deductions. Press enter button and see the result. The net pay of the first employee is 30,500. To apply the same formula to all the employees, simply select the cell and drag till the end. So this is the net pay of all the employees. So that's it, how to calculate employee salary statement in Microsoft Excel, or how to create salary statement in Microsoft Excel. If you have any question about the entire process, then please tell me in comment section. And if this video was helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.